Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to get Vita Mahjong ad free on your phone. Let's get started. First open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now swipe down from the top right corner of your phone to open Control Center. Tap the aeroplane icon. When it turns orange or blue, airplane mode is on. This source of the internet so ads can't flow. Go back to the Vita Mahjong. You will notice no ads. The game works completely fine offline. If you don't want airplane mode, you can turn off your internet. Swipe down from the top right corner, then turn off your internet or mobile data. With no internet connection, the game can't show any ads and you can play smoothly. In some versions of Vita Mahjong, there are an option to remove ads permanently. Open the game and check in settings, shop or store for a button like no ads or remove ads. It costs money, but you can only pay once and ads are gone forever. And that's it. These are the easiest way to get Vita Mahjong app free on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.